Okay, we are back. How do you find this discussing? फायदा हो रहा है?
जी सर.
Okay, so we continue on the discussion. Okay, so now the point has come up to the point of attributes. So attributes of the person. So how do we look at these attributes of the person?
So attributes are the building blocks.
Okay.
Attributes are the so this concept as because we are addressing question and answer, so I wanted to put across this point so that once and for all we are very clear what are attributes, what are traits, and what is disposition. So that needs to be very clearly addressed today.
Mm.
So attributes are building blocks. They can be positive and negative. For instance, uh, something that Dr. Sunita also said, and I want to rejoin. I want to put in a rejoinder to that, which says that she has a very smiling personality.
Mm.
But it becomes an abnormality if in adverse circumstances also she has a smiling personality.
Mm.
The attribute of a smiling face becomes the disposition to always smile becomes a deviation and a cause of worry when it is gone beyond a point.
Mm. Okay.
The attribute, a good attribute, like Dr. Pankaj said, that attributes are normally good. The connotation of attribute is supposed to be good, but a positive attribute also, if deviated beyond a point, will become disease.
Mm. Okay, so now again we are back to another square. How do we define what is bad?
How do you define what is?
Bad.
Bad.
When there is good, then there is something bad.
Good and bad attributes की बात हुई थी.
To be aggressive is
Something that is in harmony.
so no. We say that smiling is a good. So does that mean weeping is bad?
It has to be in alignment to the situation, to the place, to the environment. So whatever is in harmony with that is acceptable, which becomes so-called good. And anything that is like if this person is smiling while he or she is talking about a very painful event, then that will become probably a characteristic or something that we will take into consideration.
Okay.
So
So
similarly, anything that is not in alignment will be taken into consideration.
you brought a very important point, Dr. Sudhi. These are very usual, normal points. Nothing great concepts, and nothing great that you are understanding from the point of homeopathy. But they are so usual, they are so minor that they are usually overlooked. And that is why as Dr. Tripathi said that blocks. Now, if one block is missing, building doesn't collapse, but definitely becomes weak. And so, what Dr. Survi said, that is whatever is time and circumstances appropriate, that is good, and whatever is misplaced, out of proportion, or not as per the time and circumstances, that is bad.
So can I put forward a point?
Yes, sure.
So we say there is weeping disposition. बट जब हम एट्रीब्यूट की बात करते हैं तो देन वी आर माइल्डर एंड से इस इसको तो ना बात बात इसको तो इसके आंसू तो आंख पे ही धरे रहते हैं, दैट्स एन एट्रीब्यूट. बट when it goes beyond a point, then we say it's a weeping disposition, then we don't say it's an attribute.
Madam ji, we also say his disposition is to be mild. Mildness can be disposition itself, because
I think.
we have a rubric, mildness. So mildness, if it is a rubric, then mildness is a part of the sickness. It has to be corrected.
Because the mild reaction in undesirable circumstances is not desirable. There are times when you
That requires correction. Na? So
that requires.
before we come to the point of the disposition, we are discussing, as Dr. Pankaj has raised this point, something good, something bad. And that Dr. Surbi has gone one step ahead. What is time and circumstance appropriate? That is good. And time and circumstance inappropriate, that is bad. That is what we say. So the point is that then why it should become bad? Why it should become inappropriate?
Sir, what I think that attributes are, as they are genetic, inherited, they cannot be corrected, and disposition is acquired thing, and it is inherited. This is the difference between.
आपको इसको करेक्ट करना क्यों है? आप मेरी बात समझा? That is constituting the person. The moment I bring change in that, then no longer he continue to remain the same person.
Yes, sir.
So attributes till the time and circumstance appropriate, it means there is a balance within. It means there is a total control on those characters, the quality. उसको पता है कभी कहाँ क्या होना. These characters, now smiling is an expression of health. Weeping is an expression of health. All the emotions are expression of the health, provided they are in the proportion and appropriate to time and circumstance, and person can exhibit a control over it. So when I say this is your attribute, so that is your character. And in health, if I say, automatically it means that yes, they make no sound in the system, that make no trouble.
Noise.
Yes, noise in the person. It means I smile, I weep, I become anxious, or I desire something, I don't desire something. All those things are becoming so automatic and usual, just like my heart is pumping, my liver is detoxifying, my kidney is excreting, that is without my involvement. Those things are happening without making any noise. Very silently, they function individually and in accordance and in coordination with others. So likewise, if person goes on doing the no functioning that is required to have the existence, and that is happening so smoothly, without making noise, without troubling others, without having distress within, then he is at the state of health.
Hmm.
Then those are,
Without
yeah,
without causing distress to himself. For instance, I want to bring this point out कि even in difficult circumstances, if a person remains calm, is considered an attribute, but that should not cause distress or disease in that person. So the point that you said about aphorism 2, ascertainable constitutional features are attributes in aphorism 5 of aphorism 5.
that's okay. Yeah. So the point is that they become ascertainable. It means now they become very obvious. It means it may be inappropriate time and circumstance. That is why people start noting it. Oh, ये तो यूजुअली ऐसे ही बिहेव करने वाला है. दिस वाज एक्सपेक्टेड फ्रॉम हिम एंड दैट इज व्हाई या तो इसको देखो उसका फादर को इस तरह से बालनेस आ रही है तो इसको भी वही तरह से बालनेस आ रही है. सो दैट इज हाउ they become ascertainable, and so they are now becoming disposition.
Hmm.
Disposition means person no longer has a control on it, cannot manage it, it is beyond his capacity to be, to have it appropriate as per time and circumstance. So now it has become a tendency, vulnerability, susceptibility to be like that. क्योंकि वहाँ इश्यू आ गया वीकनेस का. And moment it is the point of weakness that requires to be corrected.
So you mean to say when an attribute goes beyond control, it becomes tendency, vulnerability, and susceptibility.
Yeah. So
All
when
right.
somebody has attributes, certain attributes, everybody has all the emotions, but some people we say he's a strong-willed person. We say that this person is always a cheerful. So these are the attributes in the person that is manageable by the person. Till that time, we say, okay, nothing to worry, not to bother, let him be at his usual. लोगों को अपने हमें चेंज करने में कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं होता है. देखो ना क्या होता है सुभा जी,
Hmm.
प्यार शुरू होता है तो हमें लगता है जो चीज
Tawad.
एक दूसरे की जो ग्रेटनेस लगती है, एक दूसरे का जो अच्छा लगता है, वही पॉइंट एक शादी के 1-2 साल के बाद वी वांट, अरे यार तू ऐसा ही क्यों करता है, ऐसा क्यों, तू यहाँ क्यों नहीं बदलता है ना. तो one goes into that circle and the cycle to go on having the same thing. बच्चा गाना गाता है तो जो भी लोग आते हैं घर में बोलेंगे बेटा गाना गा गाना गा गाना गा, तो सब लोग ताली बजाते हैं, उसको अच्छा लगता है, अच्छा अभी गाना गाने से ताली बजाते हैं, गाना गाने से लोग हैप्पी होते हैं एंड हमें रिकॉग्निशन मिलता है. बच्चा वो फिर साइकिल में चले जाता है विदाउट पुटिंग हिज own wisdom or understanding or learning. So that is how जो डिस्पोजिशन है उसके रूट्स है वहां पे एट्रीब्यूट्स में, बट दे आर स्टिल मैनेजेबल. So those are at the level of the latency, that they are not so active over person's control, over the person's power. It doesn't overpower. The moment it starts overpowering the person, then that requires a correction. That is what we say disposition. ठीक है ना, तो ये आपका रिलेशनशिप होगा attributes and disposition. Attributes in the person, disposition in the, so attributes of health. देखो, attribute speaks only of that it is a character that which can
Yes.
identify. So attributes in health and attributes in the disease, attributes of the person and attributes in the patient. So attributes in the patient, it means those attributes, those characters which loses its power for the control. That is now termed further as disposition. तो डिस्पोजिशन का भी एट्रीब्यूट होगा और नॉर्मलसी का भी एट्रीब्यूट होगा. अब हम समझ रहे हैं बात. एट्रीब्यूट डज नॉट डिफाइन, वी क्रिएट दैट टर्मिनोलॉजी. एट्रीब्यूट बोलेंगे तो हम हेल्थ ही समझेंगे और डिस्पोजिशन बोलेंगे तो हम डिजीज समझेंगे. दैट इज गुड टिल we keep ourselves for that definition, but these are not the universal definition, because attribute means quality and the character, and the quality of the character we define in health, and quality and character we define in the disease, and whatever we define in the disease, those can be tendencies. So if we take the literal meaning as per the dictionary, then we have to follow, and we have to completely say attributes in health and attributes in disease. ठीक है ना. हाँ, तो अभी वापिस वो पॉइंट आ गया ना, तो अभी नॉर्मलसी का पॉइंट आपने अच्छा निकाला जी. नॉर्मलसी फॉर दैट पर्सन, इट डज नॉट मीन दैट पर्सन इज हेल्दी.
सर फिर आइडियल हेल्थ जो है that is different. Ideal health for every person will be different.
No, see, ideal health that you only defined. Ideal health is one where it is a harmony and the balance between all the roles that person is playing at work, social life, and the family and society, and the work area, professional area.
जी sir.
Till he is balancing this thing, as the resultant outcome is the peace, happiness, accomplishment.
Yes.
So
health will also depend upon the circumstances of that person. For instance, हम लोग सब जानते हैं कि अहिंसा परमो धर्म, but for a police person and a soldier, that is not the normal health. He will have to resort to violence if required. So normal health will depend upon the circumstances also.
no, the point is that if he is killing somebody, and that is not creating any.
That is towards peace. That is towards peace.
With the purpose for the peace and purpose and for higher existence and all those things, then obviously again it is when he's killing somebody, it is a controlled. It is not violent and haywire that he goes on killing people around. We find once in a while in the news that he opened firing at the crowd. He was so angry that he did so, or he was so depressed that he committed suicide. A policeman committed suicide. So those things are something that is beyond his control. Na? So moment it goes beyond the control and without the definite goal and that is in accordance with the higher existence of the higher purpose.
So that is occupation, no? What Dr. Shubha is saying, that is occupation.
हाँ मतलब हेल्थ की बात हो रही थी ना कि
ऑक्यूपेशन में मोरालिटी भी आती है. We have license to kill as a doctor, and we use that front and we start killing the people and taking money from people. तो जो सुपारी लेते हैं और जो सर्टन अब तक 56 वो क्या he had या तो अभी इंस्पेक्टर सुरवे he was known for है ना for क्या बोलते हैं उसको
एनकाउंटर
एनकाउंटर एनकाउंटर हाँ एनकाउंटर और एनकाउंटर चलते रहेगा तो ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है कि every role has a morality and defined duties, and if person misuses, mispowers, then that becomes a problem. क्योंकि वहाँ प्रॉब्लम कहाँ होता है पर्पस में एडल्ट्रेशन आ गया करप्शन वहाँ आ गया so moment adulteration and corruption comes up then it is becoming a sickness that requires
sickness and that is not health. तो अगर ओपन फायर करें तो भी अनहेल्दी है और अगर पीठ दिखा के भाग जाए तो भी अनहेल्दी है. So that so the health also depends upon where you are responding to a situation.
So your if till the time you are appropriate situation and time appropriate till that time you are having the control. It means till that time your adaptation is good. So adaptability decides whether you are healthy or you are not healthy. And adaptability does not include suppression. It does not include compromise. When I adapt to the situation, I have no complaints. I do not grumble. I do not lament. My energy level remains same. I continue to have the same peace and the soundness within. That is adaptation. Then moment this adaptation is challenged and person goes into the compromises, then he is likely to become patient.
Okay. So today we've answered the question of attributes, traits, and in correlation with disposition and adaptability.
Yeah. So attributes of sickness and attributes of health that we have studied, and there was a good discussion and contribution from the group members. Today we also have Dr. Sanjay Kumar Patil. Dr. Purva has also joined subsequently. सुमैया कैसा लगा आपको?
Yes, sir. मस्त लगा सर.
मस्त
Discussions.
ग्रुप
हाँ. मतलब
ग्रुप 3 में से फिर भी सुमैया घुस गई.
yes, sir. तब सब रिविजन्स भी था और पर्सपेक्टिव्स भी डिफरेंट देखने मिले. हम लोगों ने ये चीज के बारे में बात किए थे पहले, बट डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव्स और ज्यादा क्लैरिटी आई.
और कोई सवाल है? Because we have yet to answer what is to be treated in the every individual case. So one point is miasms and disposition. What else you require to treat? We require to treat internal disturbance, internal disharmony.
Suffering.
Yes. So suffering is the genesis of this internal disturbance, which is expressed in form of tendencies, position. Ultimately, what we require to have is the balance and homeostasis within. That should be our sole aim of what we will be teaching. So symptoms are the outermost expression. Symptoms are the current status of this is GPS system. Symptoms are what? GPS system. Symptoms tell us what was our route of the journey. तो सिम्टम्स अभी के क्या है, सिम्टम्स पहले के क्या थे, उसके पहले क्या थे, that help us to ascertain the process which is going within. So symptoms are not the ultimate things that we require to remove, but symptoms are the indications of the journey, and also symptoms are the indications of the reversal of the journey. But with the reversal of the journey, what we want is internal peace, harmony, happiness, and the state of soundness. So general feeling of well-being with disappearance of the symptom. ये दो चीज को हमें देखना है. Dr. Vijayakar so many times used to say, Dr. Shubha,
Yes, sir.
that whatever glitters is not gold, whatever glitters is not gold, and whatever disappeared is not cure. Whatever glitters is not cure, it is not gold, and whatever disappear is not cure. And that is how very beautifully put across the idea that there are a lot of suppressions that go on happening, and symptoms go away does not mean you have cured the patient.
But very rightly, you have said that we have to monitor the symptoms very carefully. If we see the symptoms disappearing here and reappearing somewhere, that means the journey is not journey is gone in the wrong direction, or the journey is not complete towards restoration of.
Because if the point is so many times symptoms go away and it may not disappear, that it may not appear. It may
For a long time.
It may not appear, and we say that so they are apparently gone. The point is, whatever disappear is not cure. It's cure provided we have a state of general well-being along with that, or person reaches back to his normalcy. Okay, we have 10 minutes. So person goes back to the state of that soundness, that functions go on happening automatically, and we become unaware about our breathing, our pumping, and our all the functioning of the system. Moment I become aware about my breathing, then either there is a obstruction or a problem in somewhere in the pathway of the breathing, maybe nose obstruction, maybe the throat irritation, maybe trachea, maybe bronchioles, everywhere. It can happen right up to the alveoli or the nerves or the blood supply to the system. So that is what till the time all our functioning are happening. हम बोलते हैं ना घर में सुख शांति कब है, जब भी कुछ भी आवाज के बिना कुछ भी सब अपने अपने काम अच्छे से करते हैं, और जब भी हम मिलते हैं इट गिव्स द चीयरफुलनेस हैप्पीनेस मीटिंग ईच अदर. कोई एक दूसरे से आंख चुराता नहीं है, मुंह बिगाड़ता नहीं है. तो वो फैमिली की हेल्थ है. बस वही हेल्थ हमारी खुद की पर्सनल अंदर है. तो हमारे सिम्टम्स जाने के बाद हम वो स्टेट पे वापस आ जाते हैं, तभी हम उसको बोलेंगे नाउ आई एम हेल्दी. तभी हम पॉइंट लाते हैं रिस्टोरेशन ऑफ द हेल्थ. एफोरिज्म नंबर 1 that is termed as cure. So cure is restoring him back to health, soundness, harmony, balance. Rest all are the beginning of the journey of sickness. So that is the point of deviation. हमारा पॉइंट में आया था डिस्कशन में डिविएशन. सो दैट इज द पॉइंट ऑफ डिविएशन. तो हमें डिजीज समझेगा कैसे? तो डिजीज समझेगा साइन एंड सिम्टम्स से. लेकिन सिर्फ साइन एंड सिम्टम्स से नहीं, वी हैव टू गो बैकवर्ड फ्रॉम वेयर द जर्नी बिगेन and how the journey began and why the journey began. And that point of deviation which is talked again and again, that helps us to differentiate remedies, because every patient has a different vulnerability, different sensitivity. So there is a different thing that make disease to begin. And through that, we understand the weakness in the person, that where the person started losing threshold or started losing adaptation. So that is the point which help us to understand the core of the case, the minor aspect, the microscopic aspect. Minor means microscopic. Minor means not of trivial. Huh? Minor means microscopic aspect of the disposition. The deviation is most important. So restoration back to the health. So restore karna hai from which point? So that point is very important. And then what you ascertain the indicators of the journey, and that help us to understand the morbid phenomena. तो हमें डिजीज समझना है, व्हाट इज टू बी ट्रीटेड समझना है, तो हमें सिर्फ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक सिम्टम्स नहीं समझना है, लेकिन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक सिम्टम के पीछे की प्रोसेस समझना है. फ्रॉम टाइम टू टाइम व्हाट वेंट ऑन हैपनिंग, वो फिनोमिना समझना है. एंड वी हैव टू रीच टू द पॉइंट ऑफ द डिविएशन, कि कब से वो बीमार है, कब से वो बीमार है, वो पूरा पिक्चर हमें लेना है ना? तो दिस इज टू बी ट्रीटेड. Do we need any more sessions for revision?
Yes, sir.
क्या सेशंस रिवीजन करना है? और
जी सर.
Yes, sir. We should do a little more revision.
ठीक है, हमारे पास और 4 मिनट है. 4 मिनट में कुछ और महत्व की बात कर लेते हैं. I have started getting cases from participants. So I suggest that we don't have much of the time, 10 तारीख कहाँ आ जाएगी, फटाफट आ जाएगी, है ना। बाद में we will have the delusion that time is running fast. वो नहीं करना है। अभी हमारा डिलीजन क्या है, वी हैव इनफ टाइम, टाइम इज गोइंग स्लो। ऐसा नहीं करना है। प्लीज आप अपना ही केसेस, जो भी आपको लगता है, यू वांट टू शेयर योर लर्निंग ऑफ Hahnemannian fundamentals and you are sharing that with your experience and your demonstration of a case. तो आप cases भेज दीजिए. That will help us to decide how many days will be required, how many hours will be required, and how do we plan. क्योंकि इस दिन हम चाहते हैं कि we get blessings of senior homeopaths, so we want to invite them to participate, to give comments on our working. उनकी comments and participation से it will fine tune. नहीं तो we will be always in the that state of euphoria that we have done the best. We are doing best, but there is still something better than best. So please आप cases भेज दीजिए. Dr. Priya has also joined. Priya, your case is ready and you presented. Mittal Ben, you have presented very well. So please send your cases quickly to my email ID drkamleshmehta@yahoo.com.
Okay, sir.
Obviously,
Okay, sir.
it is very voluntary work, but won't you be like to be a leader? Won't you be like to be inspiration for somebody? Won't you be like to be torchbearer to see others the path? We are not teachers. We don't want to change the world. लेकिन जो लोग जो भी कर रहे हैं वो करना शुरू रखे, हम उनको चेंज नहीं करना चाहते, लेकिन we want them to connect to the roots, कि ये फंडामेंटल्स को कनेक्ट करो, या तो आप जो कर रहे हो कहीं ना कहीं फंडामेंटल्स कनेक्टेड है, बट बिकम अवेयर, अवेयरनेस के साथ करो. ठीक है ना. तो ये आज आप केसेस भेज दीजिए. एंड व्हेन कैन वी मीट अगेन? थर्सडे डॉक्टर जागृति ज्वाइन नहीं हो सकते हैं. वी कैन चेंज द डे, नो प्रॉब्लम. सजेशन वाज ट्यूसडे मॉर्निंग. वी कैन मीट ऑन ट्यूसडे मॉर्निंग at the same time. Should we meet again in this week on Saturday morning to discuss portrait of disease?
Yes, yes.
अभी implement to portrait of disease.
Yes, yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll meet on Saturday morning at 6 o'clock. Session will be up to 7:30. Not any further. And we can even take up example of the cases that we have. If we start getting the cases, then that the portrait of the disease can be demonstrated from the case. So application भी हो जाएगी, understanding भी आ जाएगी, and अपना presentation की practice भी हो जाएगी. What do you all say?